Hey there and hello guys! Welcome back to my channel, and as you can see here, I am on this monday.com dashboard because right now I am going to teach you on how to use this monday.com for construction. So as you can see here, on this part we can see here these different options here where you will be able to see here the different workspace here, and then you can add here your first template here, and then you just need to click on that add button here. You just need to tap on that one, and then you will be able to see here this different kind of board, document, dashboard, form, folder, apps, import data, and then this one, the last part is this template center, and you need to tap on that one, and then here you will be able to see here the different templates here that you can choose depending on your liking. And then you can scroll here, and then on this part you can see here these different categories of your template that you will be using, and then you can also search for it, but we can scroll here to find this construction here. As you can see here, you will be able to see here this word construction, and then click on that one, and after clicking on that one they will give you different choices of templates that you can choose. For example, so that is this one, the general contractor solution, the construction roadmap, the construction project tracking, and the last part is this construction management that we will be using. So you can see here, these are the apps that integrated: the Google Drive, the Dropbox, the Gmail, the Google Calendar, the Excel, and the Zoom. Then after that one is you can also click on these three dots to see here that you can copy this link. For example, if you want to use this one, and then after that one is you just need to tap on this blue button, this use template. And on this part guys, is you will be seeing here that your template board is now creating, and you just need to wait for a bit because you really need your patience here. And then right now is you are now redirected to your dashboard or your workspace, which is for your construction. And as you can see here, you can just change this one or edit the description, and let's try to edit the name or rename it onto first construction here. After that one is you can also edit your description just below here, and then you can see here your main table, the timeline, the map, the workload, and this add button. You can add another view here. For example, to that is the table, the Gantt, the chart, the calendar, the Kanban, the file gallery, the form, the blank. And then let's try to add this kind of view, this Kanban view. And here, this is still your main table view. So you can see here your different kinds of options here. And if you want to delete this one, you just need to tap on this box to mark it check, and then right below here is you can able to see here you can duplicate, export, archive, or delete, or move to. So you just need to tap on this one if you want to delete it. Okay, delete anyway. Then you can also archive that one guys, and then after that one is you need to go here and try to adjust the sizes. Just drag left to right side, and then after that one is you can also see here that if you want to address the column or you want to delete it. And then here guys, you can see here the status. Depending on your liking, you can change it if you're starting or done, and then add another unit here where you will be able to name it depending on you. And then you can also add here guys or edit the label. Here if you want to add another label, you just need to tap on that one, and then find the word, the new label here, tap on that one, and then depending on you, for example to that is I want to change this one onto urgent. And that's it guys. So it will be now applied. And then after that one is you can go here and find some options here to change depending on you again. And then right here guys, you can add another column here if you need another column, you just need to tap on that one and then look for this one. And then here guys, you can see here, you can edit this one. It really depends on you guys. And then you can also add another group here guys. For example, to that is I want to name this part or this group ongoing. So this is my construction that are ongoing, and then I will change the color. And then on this part guys, we are now going to try this one. Let's change the status to ideal status. You just need to erase it and then type a new name. And that's it guys. It's very easy. And then let's try to use this one. Here you can set the date here. When is the due date or the starting date. And then this is the part where you can see here the Kanban view. So this is more very easy to use because you can see here directly. You can edit the card. You can also add a task here guys, or a unit. You just need to tap on that add button here. And then you'll be able to see different kind of unit. Here is the main table again, back at it again. You can add a new unit here, new group of units, or you can also import unit guys. Then search for this board and then this person, this icon. This means that you need to assign someone on this task guys. And then after that one guys, as you can see here, no one is assigned to this board yet. And on this part where the filter is, you need to have a premium plan. And you can also hide columns guys to make it more clean. Here I want to hide this one. For example, it depends on you guys. And that's it guys. I just hide my columns here. And on this part guys, as you will be able to see here, you can add a automation where the automation center. And then you can also go here to have this one. You can invite the board members. You just need to type on their email. And then here is the another icons of your notifications. Search for everything. You just need to tap on that different icons guys. And here is your dashboard guys. As you can see here, you can still edit guys. And here you'll be able to see here your home. And then after that one is you will be able to see here the workspace that you use. And that's how you use Monday.com for your construction.